Hi friends, how are you doing today? Thanks for joining me for today's video, and today's video is for all those who are planning to take their IELTS exam on 31st. We are hardly left with 2 weeks time. What is your preparation and how you are going to prepare in next 2 weeks? This video is going to help you in understanding and giving you the idea how you can better prepare for your IELTS exam. First of all, I would say that if you can join an IELTS institute where you live, don't miss the opportunity, because at an institute you would get an opportunity to learn in a proper environment. There would be ample study material to study. At the same time, you would be getting a learning atmosphere that you may not get at home, because procrastination hits you. At home, you feel like yes, you should study, but by the time you pick up the book and start reading, oh, I will do it later. Oh, let me make a phone call. Why don't I watch a movie before I start learning? And things like that. But if you are at an institute, you are bound to, or you are compelled to study. However, there are those who are working who cannot really afford to join the institutes. I recommend you to join some kind of online program. By the end of this video, I will share some practical ways of practicing IELTS with you. But now I would like to share the roster that you should be following for the next 2 weeks if you really want to score well. As you know, there are 4 modules in the IELTS exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. For listening, you must be attempting at least 2 tests every day, at least 2 tests. And those who are practicing the IELTS listening modules, they don't take it easy that it is the easiest bit, I don't need to practice. They always take in between 5.5 or 6.5. However, those who practice it hard, practice it repeatedly, they can easily score beyond 7.5, and I have seen hundreds of students scoring 9 in the listening part, and you can be one of them. Why don't you practice at least 2 tests every day, and also get familiar with the most common spellings that you may see in the IELTS listening. It would really help you to avoid these spelling mistakes during the exam. When it comes to reading, you need to be super sure about each and every tip and trick that you really need to understand all the different question types, all the different context of the IELTS exam, and then get into the habit of practicing authentic study material. I must say authentic, which is only Cambridge. Any other book that you see in the market, no matter what the name is, it's just a waste of time. From today itself, start practicing Cambridge only, and that is the study material that you really need to practice if you want to score well in your reading. So here, investing ample time on reading, at least 1 test, and if possible at least 2 tests a day will make your day on the exam day. Well, now let's move on to and before I move on, I must say that you really need to work on your time management skills. Develop the habit of completing the test in 1 hour time. Split it. You have to complete each passage in 20 minutes. 20 makes 1 hour. You have to complete 13 questions in 20 minutes time. That means you have to cover 7 questions every 10 minutes. So be in the habit of checking the clock, checking the time every 10 minutes, not every minute. That way you'll be just looking at the clock, not doing anything. Well, let's talk about the writing bit. Writing, you know, there are 2 tasks, task 1, task 2. Focus more on task 2 as compared to task 1. It has more weightage. It has the weightage of 6 pen as compared to the task 1, that is of 3. However, I have a link here of one of my video. If you have this question on your mind that in the real exam you should be attempting first the task 1 or task 2. Well, now go through the websites, check out the latest IELTS exams, and be well prepared with the recent IELTS essays, and be well prepared with the most common IELTS essays. Now, if I say task 1 has less weightage, that never means that you won't be practicing for task 1. So get into the habit of attempting 2 essays every day along with at least one task 1. Finally, you are left with the speaking. There are too many cue cards. There are many introductory, and for every cue card you have to prepare the follow-ups. So have a routine of preparing at least 5 to 7 cue cards daily. This way you'll be completing 60 to 80 cue cards by your exam time, and that's fair enough. And if you do all this, you would be in a great position to take the IELTS exam and score well above your expected score. Now, how you can better prepare all this? This video has a special offer for all of you. We are offering you IELTS Academic as well as IELTS GD Success courses. Both are available on my application, IELTS Coaching. All that you need to do is, if you're an Android user, download IELTS Coaching application. If you're an Apple user, download My Institute and enter the code IELTS, and then on the platform you will see this option store. Click here, check out the IELTS Academic or the IELTS GD course as per your need. If you want to check, you can check the contents of the course. The entire course is divided into days. Each day contains the contents of different modules of IELTS: listening, reading, writing, speaking, vocabulary, and my exclusive 5.5 to 6.5 writing band course is also a part of this course. You would be getting speaking booster free. So this 2-week crash course would keep you engaged till your exam time. Even if you have joined an institute, still go with this course and you will learn many things that you are not learning at your institute. And this course is going to help you to prepare well. You will become a member of my WhatsApp group. We will provide you unlimited free study material, and that's all that you need for the next 2 weeks time. I'm pretty sure you will act upon my advice and will definitely consider buying IELTS Academic or IELTS GD Success. Thank you very much for joining me for today's video, my dear friends. Bye bye for now.